In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix internet or ping problems in repo. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar and here we look for the control panel. Click on this, and after that you can click on network and internet, and here you can click on network and sharing center. And then now we have here the connection. I'm connected with LAN or Ethernet. And after that you can click on change the data settings, and now we do all the following steps with our connection. So right click on it, and then we can disable it, wait like 1, 2, 3 minutes to restart our Wi-Fi from our PC, and after that we can enable it again. And you also do this with your Wi-Fi router. Okay, and then we can right click on it again, go on properties, click on Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties again, and here we click on obtain an IP address automatically, and down there we click on use the following DNS server addresses. And here we have preferred DNS server. This is 8888, and alternative DNS server is 8844. Click on OK, close this. After that you have to restart your PC, that the settings will saved, and then the problems should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write it down in the comment section. We will find a solution, and then see you next time.